Cognitive behavioral therapy, often called CBT, is a popular and proven way to help people manage their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Cognitive behavioral therapy training with care skills training teaches you how to understand the link between how we think, how we feel, and how we act. This kind of training is useful for supporting people with challenges such as stress, anxiety, and low mood. This course is for anyone who wants to help others or learn more about how the mind works. It's great for people working in mental health, social care, education, or even human resources. It's also helpful for people who want to better understand their own thoughts and feelings. This cognitive behavioral therapy training starts with the basics, explaining what CBT is and how it works. We also teach proper techniques like setting goals, creating action plans, and helping people change their habits. You'll explore how to run a CBT session, understand your role as a helper, and learn. By the end, you'll feel confident using cognitive behavioral therapy tools in real situations. You will receive a course that's easy to follow, trusted, and recognized. Our CBT training is CPD accredited, meaning it meets high standards and helps with your professional development. You can learn online at your own time. Our goal is to make learning both useful and affordable, so you can gain skills that truly make a difference. To learn more, read the description below and check out our website.